Hello everyone, we are going to discuss how to remove an employee from the Doctoc dashboard. Click on the three lines on the upper left corner of the dashboard in order to expand. Click on the Manage at the bottom. Upon clicking Manage, a drop-down with multiple options will open. Click on Personnel, and now you can see everyone who is working at your clinic, starting from providers, support staff, and administrative staff. If it is a support staff member, select the support staff option. Click on the name of the employee, and the employee profile will open before you. Click on the Remove option, then confirm by clicking on Yes. You will also need to remove the employee from the extension list. Click on the three lines on the upper left corner. Choose the second option, which is Call Assistant. Click on the bottom option, which is Extensions. Here, you will get all the employees with their extension numbers. Click on the extension number of the employee you want to remove. A detailed tab will open regarding the employee to whom that extension number has been allotted. Click on the Remove option and confirm your decision by typing Yes in the text box.